Good evening, everybody. It has been a brutal evening. Got out here probably about 4:30 or 5ish, and man, I haven't had any bites. Finally got a little hybrid just a few minutes ago on the, there's actually a white bass on the one knocker here. So, but you know what? I've got the camera on because I just feel like, you know, even one bite right here could make the evening. It's not like I have to drive hours to get here. It's just 5 minutes down the road from the house. So anything, any catch is a blessing. What did I say? What did I say? Nice little smallie. I hope he stays pinned. I don't know how many hooks he's got in him. Oh, let's go. Heck, I just practically boat flipped him. Had the net kind of under him. On top water, baby, on top water. That's a, man, that is a tank. He's probably a 3.5 or a 4. But you want to talk about fat. This guy is fat. Oh, easy there, buddy. Beautiful Pickwick smallmouth. Look at that. He is a tank. Thought he might have a tag there for a second. He had like a parasite on him or something. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. On top, smallie on top. Just had one miss it. Oh, did he miss it again? He did. Too bad, so sad, Chad. Oh, here we go, right here at the boat. Oh my gosh! I jerked it. I got too impatient. I gotta wait till you feel it. They're liking the knocker this evening. All right, be patient. Wait till you feel the fish before you get excited and shoot your wad all at once. Thank you, Lord, for providing me with some epic blow-ups there and a fish or two. Good smallie. It's just an absolute unit for his stature. I'll let him get it. That's a little bit bigger of a fish. What we got here? Salt. It's another smallie. Hybrid. He's gonna need the net, I think, if he stays on. Whoa, shit. He just took off. So much current going, I can't hardly get it to stay up. A little salt. A little salt, baby. All right, I got you now. A little salt. Beautiful fish right there. Beautiful, beautiful fish. We're gonna let you go. We want your big daddy. Show you big daddy. All right, so that's a couple good blow ups. Solid little tank of a smallie and a salt. So I'd marked this spot for 17,000 to 22,000, but they're pushing 27. Trolling motors hitting at about 8 to keep me in place right here, but I can bump that 22 up to 27 on my mark, just so I'll know when they're pushing that amount of current that this spot right here is productive. Oh my gosh, that was insane. Seems to be a little. Thank you, Lord, for giving me the perseverance to stay out here, to not give up, to go with my gut. I kind of want to put on the weight or throw the waking minnow, but why change when they've already hit the one knocker a couple times here? It's a good smallie right there, I think. Uh-oh. Might be a salt. He's a good fish, whatever he is. I think he might be a smallie. Or, nope, he's salt. He's a salt. I don't need to break this new rod. Oh, I can't get him. I got the bait though, close enough. Cannot beat a saltwater topwater yet. Saltwater stripe. Easy, guy. Easy, easy, easy. Let's not make more of a mess than we have to right here. Gotcha. Another beautiful saltwater stripe. Little schoolie size though. That's all we're getting into is schoolie size. Oh, and I've knocked my spot lock off. Dadgummit. We'll see you, buddy. That's a little something or other. That was kind of what I was going for. Good boy. Thank you, Lord, for another beautiful evening, God, and for topwater blow-ups. So guys, we are utilizing the one knocker spook tied on a loop knot. I think I've got my 30-pound fluoro leader on this. See a 30 or 15, I think it's 30. And that's tied to 30-pound Power Pro Super Slick, paired up with a Penn Fathom low profile. As if anyone cares. We just want to catch fish. We just want to catch the fish. I'm due one over here on this side. This side has not been productive today. Maybe I haven't given it enough attention. Tell me I didn't speed that up. He feels like he's big. He might not be big. He might be foul hooked or something. I mean, but I haven't been able to do much with him. He hasn't come up. So I'm assuming this is probably either a big hybrid, might be a big salt. I haven't even, dadgum, he's a foul hooked something or another. Foul hooked little hybrid. I mean, it's like pulling dadgum a chunk. There we go. Well, that ain't good. Yep, just foul hooked. I thought he was a Mondo. Foul hooked son of a gun. I thought he was a monster because I couldn't do anything with him. There's one. There's one. Hey, hey, hey. Nice. 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 She slowed down. Not gonna be a lot of editing today though, that's a good thing. Not a lot of video shot. I mean, we're talking about the last video was like total footage was like 3 hours. This is just gonna be probably about an hour, if that. That's a plus. Very nice. Blah, 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 blah. What's up, y'all? Hope y'all enjoyed the video. About 30 to 40 minutes of pretty non-stop action. What turned out to be a really slow evening, super hot out here, turned into another memorable evening. No real big catches, but some epic crushes on topwater. If you know me, you know I love that topwater bite. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed it. Until the next adventure, y'all have a good one. They're doing.